Let's start with the faucet, because we need to get some IDE tokens to pay the gas fee on Layer 2 and Layer 3. On the faucet page, we connect the wallet via MetaMask and request some tokens. Here we can get 2 IDEs, which is enough for the gas fee, and wait for the transaction to be processed. Okay, and we can check the transaction details on the Explorer. Now we can go to the official bridge and try to bridge some tokens from Layer 1 to Layer 2. In this demo, we would like to bridge some Sepolia ETH from Layer 1, that is Sepolia testnet, to Layer 2, that is Opside testnet. We would like to bridge 0.03 and 0.01 would be charged as the bridge fee, and we will wait for the transaction to be processed. Done. Now we can see the transaction details on the Layer 1 Explorer, that is Etherscan Sepolia. We need to wait for some time until the transaction was seen and processed by the bridge operator. That would take maybe 5 to 10 minutes. Let's check the token balance on the both sides. On the Sepolia testnet, we can see that we have transferred several Sepolia ETH to the bridge contract and switched to the Opside testnet. We can see that we have some IDEs to pay the gas fee, but we haven't received any wrapped ETH yet. Alright, seems the token was arrived. And let's double check it. Yep, good. Then we can go to the Layer 3 bridge. Select the token, wrapped ETH, and enter the amount 0.03 and approve. Give the permission. And submit the transaction. Bridge transaction. Confirm. Good. Okay, done. And we can see the transaction on the Explorer on Layer 2. The Layer 3 bridge is different from the official bridge. The ZK node needs some time to process the transaction and submit the batch. Let's keep watching the activity status. Okay, so on hold, we can claim the tokens to Layer 3. Switch the network. And claim. The claim transaction does not cost any gas fee, so don't worry. Processing. And done. And let's see the transaction history on MetaMask. It's complete. And we can also check the balance on Layer 3, the assets. And we didn't import the token, so we import wrapped ETH. and 0.03 is good. So successfully down from layer 1 to layer 3. Okay, let's change the direction. We bridge the same amount of wrapped ETH all the way from layer 3 back to layer 1. Still 0.03, and confirm the bridge transaction. This time we can see the transaction on layer 3 Explorer. And let's see the activity to check the transaction status. It's on hold. Really quick this time. So we claim it's the same process. Switch network and confirm. Okay, processing and down. And see the balance on layer 2. We have received the wrapped ETH 0.03 is correct. And check the layer 3. We does not have a wrapped ETH anymore. So then we can go to the official bridge and bridge the tokens from layer 2 back to layer 1. The same process but different direction. From Opside testnet to ETH Sepolia. Yep, 0.03 and approve. Give permission. And send bridge transaction. 0.1 IDE as the bridge fee. And done. See the transaction details on layer 2. Good. And we need to wait for another 5 to 10 minutes. Seems the token was arrived. Check the balance on MetaMask. So layer 2, we don't have a wrapped ETH anymore. And on layer 1, Sepolia testnet 0.05 is done.